Tired of your Kvcore database feeling more like a tangled mess than a goldmine? Let's untangle it. First, log into your Kvcore account. Once you're in, look for the Marketing tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Hover over it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Smart CRM. This is where all your valuable contacts live. Now you're in your database. See those filter options at the top. Use these to narrow down your contacts. You can filter by status, source, tags, and a whole lot more. Need to find a specific contact? Use the search bar. Type in their name, email, or phone number to quickly locate their profile. Click on a contact to view their detailed profile. Here, you'll see their activity, notes from past interactions, and all their important information. Keeping notes up to date will help manage your client relationships better. To manage your database, select a segment of your choosing. Use the export option if you want to analyze your data outside of Kvcore. Finally, explore the reporting tools within Kvcore to analyze your database performance and identify trends. With these tips, you can confidently navigate your Kvcore database, manage leads, and close more deals. Don't forget to subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.